share this anguish, we share this condemnation. We expect certain amount of acrimony not to be there. I am sure members on the other side would also appreciate and seriously introspect when you throw these allegations as to what has been happening even in the last 2 months. Now there has been conclusive evidence given as to who were the leaders in the Godhra episode. I have with me a newspaper advertisement when the municipal elections took place. The elected members, their advertisement with office bearers of the Congress proclaiming victory. Some of them are those who have been arrested in the Godhra carnage. There is a cassette available of functions where they have attended on the Congress platform. At least some persons.
Truth is unpalatable to them now that cat is coming out of the bag.
Madam, I am not yielding. Any speaker from the other side? आप इस कैसेट को देख लीजिए. आप इस कैसेट को देख लीजिए. आप इस कैसेट को देख लीजिए.
मैडम, यू मस्ट प्रोटेक्ट देम.
हमारे पास भी कैसेट है. कैसेट ये कैसेट
मैडम,
कैसेट सुन लीजिए मैडम.
To bring normalcy to the state,
कैसे होती है?
There are various activities, various festivals, functions which have gone on. Panchayat elections have gone on. Out of the 5 crore population in the state, 1.2 crore were students. We didn't want the students to lose their year. And when we didn't want the students to lose their year, examinations were held at all centers. In the riot affected areas, we postponed them. When the exams were postponed, and you had the second round of examinations for areas where it was postponed, will you be honest enough to confess it was senior leaders, not ordinary leaders? When Mr. Ahmed Patel said that I know what the facts are, I am personally grateful to him that he stood out and took a stand, persuaded various people in the state, said no student of the minority community must waste his year, he must go there. Ahmed Bhai said it, and I am complimenting him for it. But there were senior leaders who not only gave a boycott call, but entry slips of children into examinations were snatched away from them. Ahmed Bhai, let me read the Times of India, the boycott call given. You will only recognize 2 names: Imtiaz Mirza, Badruddin Sheikh. And Imtiaz Mirza is not a local leader. He's been a member of this house. He's one of your All India secretaries.
Times of India.
And not only Ahmed Bhai.
Not my paper, Times of India.
Not only was the boycott got given, finally when children of the minority community boycotted the boycott call, your state leaders, Shri Amar Singh Chaudhary, made a press statement asking his parliament to recall this call. And there's a press statement issued by him saying that this should not have been done and we must help those children. After all, those children were being taken in buses with police security, and finally 1.2 crore children, 98% of them were managed to their exams. And when we made a further facility that children in relief camps, if they want a third opportunity to children in the relief camp will also be made available. Therefore, also please seriously introspect. Just two points, madam, before I conclude. The first, Shri Arjun Singh Ji, in his opening remarks,
वो भी जैसे आप बिहार से मेंबर हैं, वो गुजरात से वो अरे गुप्ता जी, लालू जी ने भी देख लिया कि आप बिहार का केस बराबर लड़ते हैं, पहले से ही लड़ते रहे।
मैडम,
पहले से लड़ रहे हैं, हम भी 30 साल से जानते हैं, 40 साल,
मैडम,
40 साल से हम जानते हैं, लड़ रहे हैं।
मैडम, there are two very material points which Shri Arjun Singh ji made. He felt that the cases should be immediately, the 5 important cases be referred to the CBI. There is a lot I can read from what the Human Rights Commission report has said, which is complementary to what the collectors and some of the police officers did. There are a lot of observations in that. I don't want to go into the details. But this was indeed one of the observations of the Human Rights Commission also, that these cases be immediately be referred to the CBI. Today we are, please keep in mind when you make this suggestion, today we are already in the 63rd and 64th day of the investigation of those cases. I have a list of number of people in each of those cases who has been arrested. And since questions were being asked as to whether they are members of the minority or majority communities, in the first case, Godhra, it is mostly members of the minority community. In the other 4 cases, members of the majority community. A large number of them. Each one of them, bails have been denied after the police has contested them. It is imperative that within the next 26-27 days, charge sheets against them be filed. This point was very validly made here. Investigations which are at a breakthrough. Investigations where police parties have gone to various stages. Voluminous record in Gujarati on the 7th. No police officer who knows the procedures and who knows the consequences of a default bail on the 90th day will give this suggestion that on the sensitive stage of investigation where large arrests have been made and charge sheets you are running against time, transfer the investigative agency so that on 90th day each one of them has something to rejoice about. Therefore, when you make this suggestion, the Human Rights Commission, that the investigation should be fair, but when you make this suggestion, please bear in mind the consequences of what the suggestion are going to be. Sir,
I would like to look at Mr. Jaitley.
Madam, I am not yielding because this is the...
I know the consequences of that.
Time is running
You
out.
may be the law minister of this country, but we are not ignorant. We also know the law.
जब भी आप पूछेंगे, अभी आप तशरीफ
When the
रखिए।
suggestion was made, why did you not accept it immediately? Of course, days will pass.
He is senior leader. Is it fair to do this?
Madam,
Please don't interrupt.
We were today-
There is no information which I can give you.
we were
He
today
is concluding
Madam,
कितने पुलिस वालों के खिलाफ चार्जशीट हुई जिन्होंने इसके अंदर इन्वॉल्व थे?
I want him
मैडम,
to
ये तो
finish
हमारे
his
यहाँ से
speech.
गए हुए हैं।
ये क्या हुआ मेरा माइक को चल के दे रहा
Madam,
है?
we were...
जी आप बोलिए, आप कंक्लूड करिए।
राम गोपाल जी हमारे यहाँ
Madam,
से गए
before I
हुए हैं,
conclude,
नए
just
नए।
one last point. I normally would not have referred to it. In fact, it had not even crossed my mind. Since till the opening speaker, Shri Arjun Singh ji, reminded us of our sense of history and said, in 1932, a series of incidents started in Germany. And it is the fear of those incidents that where one race or one community claims supremacy over another and wants to eliminate another. Well, let me assure him that our liberal traditions, our pluralistic society would never permit anything of this kind to happen. In fact, one reason why India rejected these cases or these concepts was because we always considered any form of theocracy or superiority of one over the other as something which was alien to us. And if this were ever to happen, I have not the least doubt that every right-thinking Indian would speak out against him. So let us therefore not have a fear of something imaginary or unknown. But let me remind you, when you teach us,
बैठिए जीवन राय जी।
when you teach us,
Let him conclude.
when you teach us,
Sit down.
अरे तुम्ही ने मरवाया जर्मनी में।
when you teach us, sir, when you teach us to learn the lessons of what happened in 1932 and for the next decade or more in Germany, let me also remind you what had happened then. You had a head of government who did not have a majority. He had an alliance government. He used his majority and his position in power to arrest his entire opposition. He converted his minority into a majority. He amended the constitution to give himself the absolute powers. He not only stopped with that, he detained his opponents, he imposed censorship. He used a democratic constitution to become a dictator. And some sentences which will be familiar to you, within 3 days of doing that in 1932, he said, all this I am doing for economic progress, so he announced a 25-point economic program. His close colleague, Mr. Hubert Hess, made a statement which will also ring a bell when he said, Adolf Hitler is Germany, Germany is Adolf Hitler. He who swears allegiance to Hitler swears allegiance to Germany. Mr. Goebbels,
अरे तुम ही लोग डेमोक्रेसी को
आपको क्या हो गया भाई?
अब आपको क्या हुआ भाई? कांग्रेस को रिश्ता वाले को आपको क्या हुआ?
Therefore, let us learn our lessons from history, but not selective lessons from history. And I am sure our democratic traditions and our secular traditions and our traditions of pluralistic society, each one of which is very important, will continue to be strengthened, provided we remember all these lessons of history. With this, madam, what we have. You want me to yield?
But that is your privilege.
I think, madam.
Now please conclude.
Madam.
You give me just a second. I have respect for the shrines of all your minds, and I don't interrupt you. I extend you the courtesy, so I expect you the same courtesy to me. And I am pointing to you, Mr. Punj. You are an educated man. What I am trying to say is, Hitler was not in office in 1932.
I don't know where he
Hitler took office in 1933. Get your history right. And I would like you, wait a minute. And not only this, can you please name the chancellor whom Hitler succeeded? Can you name?
Now, will you please conclude now?
Can you name the chancellor Hitler succeeded? Whom? Can you give his name?
Can you conclude now?
Madam,
You don't know the name.
See, interruptions are there. I can't help it. I cannot help if there are interruptions. Then he is going to. I want him to conclude. Please. Let him conclude,
Madam,
so that I can ask the other person. Yes.
Madam, I am very grateful to Shri Natwar Singh Ji for having corrected the error into both Shri Arjun Singh Ji and myself fell. We may be wrong on 1932, but I think I am very right on 1975. And that's the message I wanted to give to Mr. Arjun Singh. And I am sure he's also got a more composite sense of history. Thank you, madam.
Now,